You searched how to buy shares of Coty Inc. Coty is a global beauty company making cosmetics, fragrances, and skincare, listed on Euronext under the ticker COTY.PA. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds to your account before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker COTY.PA to find Coty Inc. on Euronext. Select the result that matches Coty Inc. to ensure you have the correct listing. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is the right stock. Verify the market label Euronext and the ticker COTY.PA to be certain. To invest, click the Buy or Invest button. Enter the amount you want to spend, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft reminder: the eToro link is available in the description for the platform used in this walkthrough.